Okay, so following on from the last video, I'm going to show you how to install the Metapixel. So we're over here in the overview tab for my test pixel, and you just want to go set up Metapixel. Now, if you've got one of these platforms over here, the process is so easy for you. So let's, for example, I installed one with a client yesterday for Wix. So if you go to Wix, I'd always turn on automatic matching, and then you just go next. So you want to go to your marketing tools home, and these steps are so easy to follow. Marketing integrations, Facebook pixel, and then go through these steps there, right? So you will need to grab your Facebook pixel ID. That's this number here. And then you want to paste that in there. Then you verify the connection, pop in your URL, and then go from there. Now you can also have the Metapixel helper. So if you type Metapixel helper, I'll show you this, Metapixel helper just into Google, you can go to the Chrome store and just install that. So anytime it's got numbers next to it, for example, like this, there's 2 there, that shows you that your pixel has been set up correctly. So if we were going to do this through WordPress, even though they do have this here as an integrated partner, I can't see how to actually download that package. I used to be able to, it used to be quite simple, but obviously clicking here, there's no button. There's no button for that to actually download. So what we're going to do is we're going to go install the code manually. All we need to do is go copy code. Then we want to log into our WordPress backend. So my hosting is done through SiteGround. So this is what your interface will look like when you log into the backend of your WordPress dashboard. It looks similar to this. I do have some other plugins that are in here, but what we're going to do is we're going to go over to plugins. Now the plugin that you want to install is called, so I've got code snippets in my one. So you can either use, we go to add new, and we can either go insert headers and footers, which is this one over here, and I've already got that installed, so that is the one that I'd recommend. Then what happens once you've installed it, click activate. So you go install now, which will say over here, do not install this one. You'll have install now, then click activate, then it will show up over here as code snippets. Just click on code snippets, and you can see over here, I've added my FB pixel. So what you'd want to do is go add new, add your custom code, and you can just paste that in there. So we've got it as site-wide header because it has to go into the header tag, so don't change anything there. Any device type, yes, we want that. And then you're going to click active, and then you're going to hit save. I'm not going to hit save because I already have a Facebook pixel on my site, but that's how you install the pixel on WordPress. Now, this actual process is quite similar with any platform. It won't look the same as the interface, but what you need to find is where you can insert your header tags, where you can edit the HTML code, and you just want to paste it in there. Almost any site will have the option for you to do that. If you have any issues, reach out to me and we can go over it together, or you can just go to YouTube and type in how to install Facebook pixel on, and then you just insert your platform that you're trying to install it on there. But as I said, reach out if you do have any issues.